Hello friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I want to show you how you can install VidiQ extension on your Windows PC. So if you're using multiple different browsers, whether that's Chrome, whether that's Firefox, I'm sure you'd really like to have the VidiQ app installed on your PC where you can quickly open that application and use it right off the back on your YouTube, right? So as you can see here from my dashboard here, I have VidiQ, and I'm going to open that a bit later and show you, because guess what, I have VidiQ installed on my PC right here. And yeah, if you go to my install apps, let me right click here and go to install apps, you will see that I have the VidiQ on my PC as well. I'm going to quickly use a search here and type in VidIQ, and you will see that I have it here installed on my PC as well. So if I need VidIQ, I have it on my PC. Simple type in here VidIQ, and you will see that I have it as an app installed on my PC. So how do I install it on my PC? How did I get it? I simply head over to the VidIQ official website, and of course you want to sign in. Once you go to the VidIQ website, you'll have the option here not only to get the install on your Chrome browser, but you will have it here from your search. Here you can see in the address bar that it shows you that you can install VidiQ on the upper right hand side. If you click on this icon here right next to the bookmark, you can install it as an app on your PC. Alternatively, if you're not seeing this, you can click the three dots on the left right hand side, go down to where it says cast, save and share, and you can install VidiQ on your PC. This is where to install it. Once you do that, guys, it's going to quickly install on your computer and you'll have VidiQ. It will show up on your desktop here as an, let's say, an icon there, but you can always pin it to your taskbar, right? Very easy. All you have to do is just install an application, right? Once you have it open, you will just in order to pin it on your taskbar, you can just right click on it and you will see it shows you where you can pin it to your taskbar. So any application you open on your computer, you can pin that to your taskbar by right clicking on it once it's open and pin it. Now let me open up VidiQ here in my PC and show you that is actually working. And that's it. See, I just quickly go ahead and I open it on my computer, and I can easily have it like an app just like this. And it's super easy, it's super user friendly, quick access, and guess what, I have it on my PC. I can use it to my advantage, so I don't have to always go to VidIQ website and log in and to use it from there. I have it readily and quick accessible on my PC. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.